The sun has set not long ago. Now everybody goes below to take a bath in one big tub with soap all over. Scrub, scrub, scrub. They hang their towels on the wall and find pajamas, big and small. With some on top and some beneath, they brush and brush and brush their teeth. And when the moon is on the rise, they all go up to exercise. And down once more, but not so fast. They're on their way to bed at last. The day is done, they say good night, and somebody turns off the light. The moon is high, the sea is deep. They rock and rock and rock to sleep. The end. The end.
Axel, you want to go night-night? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.